BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Dug, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this over here, this is the lovely and the talented Natasha, my weenie Mushane, my sweetheart. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to the people.
BOOZHOO, Gashkadino-Giizis. BOOZHOO, Anishinaabe. Hello, people. How you doing? Yeah. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
Okay. And today, you know what I was thinking?
What's that?
Let's make our Ojibwe word freezing over moon.
Oh, that's a pretty good idea.
Yeah. I mean, I know we do this every November, but, it's not like people don't need refreshers. So, Gimmick Wayne Nana, do you remember how to say freezing over moon in Anishinaabe Moan? In the, in the language? That's how the elders would call it. They didn't say, oh, this is how you say it in Ojibwe. They'd say, this is how you say it in the language. Gashkadino-Giizis. Gashkadino-Giizis. Gashkadino is like freezing over. And you look out the window now and there's snow on the ground. And it's freezing over. I went out yesterday to go for a walk.
Yeah.
And, I came back after about 10 minutes. It was too cold. I was like, the heck with this. It's going to be a long winter if I can't handle a little cold. Anyway, Gashkadino-Giizis, freezing over moon. And that's what we call November. How's that?
That's pretty good.
You want to add anything to this?
Should we tell them to sign up for Patreon and that?
Oh, yeah, okay. If you'd like to support the show, you can click the link down here and sign up, become a patron saint, become a Patreon supporter. And, if you sign up for like $5 a month, we'll send you something. $10 a month, we'll send you a book. It's like Snow on Skin by Michael Lyons. And otherwise, we got PayPal. You can just leave a one-time tip. And if you'd like to order some Ojibwe language books, click the link to Amazon.com. And what else? What am I forgetting?
Teespring.
Oh, yeah. And then Teespring, if you want to order a T-shirt or a coffee mug or something with, this mug, you can click on Teespring. All right. How's that?
That's good enough. Should we go walk around the snow?
Oh, that's a good idea. Do you want to send us out?
Okay. Well, everyone, just want to say, miigwech bizandawieg. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO,
the podcast about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Natasha.
And I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Midawa, Hawa.
Oh, good job, honey.
All right. Should I play a song to take us out?
Yeah, you want to play at 4th fret?
Okay.